So I worked with the Laerdal for 20 years. So my job in the technical services is to help our customers to achieve what they want to do with our equipment and see to that the equipment is working at all time. When I was 10 years old, my father bought a fishing boat, a 45-foot fishing boat with a lot of technical equipment on board. I got interested in that, and in a couple of years I was able to operate it myself. So I guess that led into me being trained as a truck mechanic because I didn't mind getting my hands dirty. After that I joined the military, and I said yes to do a service with the United Nations forces in South Lebanon. And because I had this background as a truck mechanic, I was asked to become an instructor as well. And that was a kind of tipping point for me, because then I realized that I liked even more to work with people than with technical things. Yeah, when I returned home from the military service, there was a situation in my family. My father suffered a cardiac arrest just a year after I came home, and I was trying to resuscitate him, doing CPR with the basic training that I got from the military. I wasn't able to save his life. Back then there was not the same knowledge as we have now, but I often wonder if I knew then what I know now. I always wonder, would it be a different result? So this is something that I carry with me, and this is also what I love about simulation, preparing you for the worst, but giving you the confidence that you're able to do what is expected from you. And I see the importance of being able to do things kind of automatically and as a reflex. And that's a part of some of the trainings we do. Both the skill training and the simulation training is part of being prepared to do these things in a very stressful situation. Sometimes we see that some of the customers are more focused on what type of equipment they are going to buy and the investment process and stuff like that. Some of our customers, they know very much what they are going to achieve, but some of the customers, we actually help them in finding the path of what they are actually going to achieve with the training, because there's different levels of awareness about that. And we try to help them sometimes with actually that when we install or actually also in the phase of ordering equipment. Helping my customers to know their equipment in and out, helping them to operate it and how to perform their trainings regularly. I know they will save lives in the future.